In the last part, we have discussed the string methods, right, such as capitalize. We have discussed ends with, count, and encode, decode. These are other methods return Boolean values. Those are self-explanatory. We will discuss further, such as join, justify, lower. Of course, lower, upper are self-explanatory. Swap case, these things. Okay. So, uh, as we discussed, we can get the help right in interpreter. Yeah. And we'll not discuss, maybe it's not necessary to discuss all these true false methods, such as the is. But we will see a couple of examples, but others we will just discuss looking at the documentation. And now, going forward, we have seen ends with, right? And expand tabs. Okay. So now, what it says, it take, yeah, tab size, which is, it is taking how many arguments? It is taking one argument, tab size, which is not mandatory, which is not required argument. Okay. So that is not mandatory. And what it says, return a copy of s where all tab characters are expanded using spaces. Okay. So if you're not aware, there are some special characters here. If you go to where ASCII table, there are some special characters such as a new line, right? Right. Line. Okay, line feed is there. We call it as a LF line feed, which is saved as 1010. You can't actually represent line feed, which is a new line, as a character, right? Okay, unless you have to type enter and that is displayed actually visually for us in the text displayed in the next line. But how to represent a new line to computer? Okay, it is stored as 1010. But when you are actually writing some text and you want to represent that new line as a character, so we use slash, and there is a vertical tab, there is a form feed, and there is actually horizontal tab. You see this one, HT symbol, which is 1001. Okay, how this is represented? Horizontal tab means there are ideally 8 spaces or sometimes 4 spaces, right? So see, 8 spaces means, space means again it takes this much, okay, 8 bits. Okay, 8 spaces means instead of storing 8 20s, hexadecimal 20s, okay, so we can just store 100. Okay, but how come we represent that tab? Okay, so we represent that using /t. Okay, these are called escape sequences. Okay, escape sequences. Okay, escape sequences, these are actually, escape sequences are available in mostly the same, available in different languages. Okay, where backspace is represented using escape sequence character. These are all sometimes called escape sequences, and these are also referred as escape characters or constants. Okay, so this symbol /b represents the backspace. Okay, /e represents the escape character. Okay, /f represents a farm feed. Okay, which means the next page. /n represents a new line. /r represents carries return, which means the enter key. You hit the enter. Okay, /t represents the horizontal tab. /v represents vertical tab. And if you want to represent backslash, okay, how do you represent, you can represent that using, yeah, double slash. You see this one, we used the Unicode /u. Yesterday we used to represent the Unicode character. Okay, so these are from the C. Of course, no difference mostly in a Python as well. Okay, so yeah, here are the. This is from official Python documentation. You can see uh, \n, which is a new line. Okay, slash a is a bell sound. If you bring the slash a, if you have a speaker on your system, that will sound the beep. Okay, so \b. Okay, same thing. Escape, backspace, form feed, line feed. Okay, the carriage reason, vertical tab, horizontal tab, vertical tab. Okay, this is hexadecimal character. This is octal character. Hmm? So, so here, what it does, expand tabs. Now, I hope you this documentation makes sense. Return a copy of this where all tab characters. Tab character means a slash t are expanded using spaces. If tab size is not given, tab size is of 8 characters assumed by default. Okay. So otherwise, sometimes it is, we can configure the tab size in some IDs to be 4. By default, it is considered as 8. Okay, let's define another string, sr equal to, okay, hello slash t, how are you? Okay, doing and the slash n, okay, have a good day. Okay, and slash t, a slash t. Okay, so you have this string, and print function. Print, what it does, it will actually interpret those special characters and prints by actually these are some these characters, non-printable characters. Okay, so you hit enter. Do you see those characters? Okay, non-printable characters are escape. These things are non-printable characters. Okay, so these are also called as beep. Okay, backspace, escape. These characters are also referred as a non-printable character. Okay, printable characters are everything that you see on keyboard. The special characters are alphanumerics. Okay, so can you see here? This is a T, which is actually interpreted and displayed as a tab, and you have the new line. Okay, so now SR method, which method we have? Expand tabs. Expand tabs. Okay, see, I haven't called that method, so nothing happened. So need to call that one. Okay, so what happened? Slash n, which is intact. Okay, so expand tabs, what happened here, the expand tabs actually uh, replace that with the, okay, so expanded those tabs using spaces. Okay, and we have optional argument tab size. How come this is optional? Because it is in brackets. Now let's give tab size to be some 12. Okay, 12 spaces. What happened? Each tab character is expanded using 12 spaces. Okay. Mm, okay. Uh, I heard the sound here, beep sound. Did you get that sound? Okay. So you can try on your interpreter. If you have speaker, you can listen to that. Try this one on your. Uh, okay. Try this on your interpreter. Okay. Okay, so shall we continue? So have you tried? Hmm. So what find what it says here? Hmm. So here, so first let's discuss this syntax. Okay, this is also called method signature. Let's discuss this method signature. So what this method takes and what it does. Okay, so it is taking sub. Uh, so probably substring it takes, and it is taking slice. Okay, where uh, we can choose to actually uh, perform this operation on a substring of a string s. Okay, so what it returns the lowest index in a s where uh, substring sub is found. Okay, this sub is the argument here we have given, and such the sub is contained within the c. Okay, yeah. So we give that slice start and end. It checks whether the substring is there in this slice. Okay, a slice of actual string. Yeah, optional arguments start and are interpreted as slice notation. And remember this returns return -1 on failure. What it means? It means that it returns -1 if it doesn't find anything. Okay, got it? It returns the integer. So what it returns the lowest index in a S where substring is found, which means that it returns the index, starting index. Okay, when the string is found. Okay, even though string is available multiple times, it returns the first occurrence of that string, for index of first occurrence of that string. If that substring is not found, -1 is expected. Okay, so yes, we have s here. Okay, try to find, well, okay, you see index 7. Okay, yeah, try to find pi or y thought. Okay, so which is three times there in uh, one, yeah, two times only. Okay, for that we have a index s dot index, right? Sorry, not index, count. Yeah, okay, two times only. Yeah, two times only. Yeah, I'm just checking it through the count we have. Yeah, so fine, it returns. See, yeah. Okay, 28. Check this s of 28. Okay, which is y, right? Even though it is, so no. Yeah, yeah. Okay, it returns the first index, starting index of the string, first occurrence. Okay, you, you have two occurrences of that Python here, ython, but it takes only the first occurrence. As soon as it finds the first occurrence, it returns the starting index of that substring. Okay, so that is what we have got here 22 28. We just okay, confirm that it is y. Okay, yeah, no, yeah. What, see, just give another string here. Hmm, is, okay, how many times is there? One time. Okay, just give I. How many times I is there? Okay, many times, but 38. So probably, you have I here. Okay, so yeah, three. Yeah. So, but we got the first occurrence. Okay. So where is the first occurrence? 38. What is the what? Where it returns the 38, even though we have here it returns the first occurrence. Do you understand this one? Yeah. So check this one to confirm. 38, just 42, and just randomly I'm picking up. See, this is the one it returned, right? Index from 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, let's give s dot find. Okay, let's check the o. Okay, which is 4, which counts index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Index means, yeah, index means always starts from 0. Index, yes. No, yeah, from the starting. Index means always from the starting. Okay. Otherwise, if we don't get this right, yeah. So that is the reason. No, we can't. We can just confirm. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, are we good now? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, uh, next format is this already, right? Yeah. So it returns a formatted version of S using a substitution of arguments, args and keywords. The substitution are identified by bases. You know this. Let's do so just even just to brush up. Okay. Take one string placeholders with placeholders. Hello. Give name. Welcome to, and give something here. Okay. So sp dot, you have just sp with the placeholders format, and you can give arguments. Okay. Which is Bob Python. Okay. And if you want the placeholders to be keywords, you can put name thing. Okay. Okay. And see, you have to pass keyword argument, because yeah. So name equal to, okay, Steve, thing equal to Python. Yeah, it worked like so. Okay, you have find here. What is find is how find works. Find is something you give some substring and returns the index, occurrence of that. Okay. So it is like a find, but rises value error. Okay. When some string is not found. Okay. We haven't checked that, we have s dot find, give something which is not available. Java. What you got here? -1. Yeah, because -1 is not, you see, find returns -1 on failure, which means that when uh, there is no occurrence of given string, we get the -1. Otherwise, we get the index. Yeah, otherwise we get the index. If there is no occurrence of given substring, we get the -1. Okay. So if now index is like that, no, we get the index of that substring. But what if we give something not available, which is C#, just give which is not available, you get the error. Okay. Okay. And yes, yeah, these are all true false. Okay. Just which is alphanumeric. Okay, is it having all alphanumeric? All are alphabets, not no numerics are here. Okay. Okay, it is false. Why? Because there are special characters. Okay, so that way is digit. Okay, you can, yes, just you, now you will get a true. Why yeah, yeah, that way you have is digit, is lower, is space. Okay, so you are checking if you have, yeah, is title. Yeah, title means first character, whether it's true, is upper. Okay, now let's come to the join, which is something interesting. So what happens? The join works like this. Okay, so what it says here, join takes what? Join takes the iterable. Okay, returns the iterable. Okay, remember the container data types we discussed, the tuple list. Okay, those are iterables. Okay, so we will learn about iterable, iterator, generator in future, but for the timing, so and the sequence types, okay, or anything that is iterable can be passed as an argument here. Okay, and returns a string which is a concatenation of string in the iterable. The separator between the elements is s. Okay, so which means that maybe it is better shown than discussing this one. So you have iterable. Let's take colors here. Okay, c equal to red, blue, green. Okay, c is iterable. Okay, so s is the how this works. Take some string here. Okay, underscore join and pass this iterable. What happens? So this string returns another string which is formed by concatenating all elements in the iterable with the delimiter, uh, with the given string as a delimiter. Okay, okay. So this is how it works. For suppose if you give dot here, you see, okay, and if I give space, let's give tab, okay, and let's give this one tab. You see this one? Yeah, let's give print. Let's print this one. How it works? Print. Yeah. So see this one. Of course, the print means I did that to expand this tab. Okay. Got it. So and basically I can expand tab here also. Okay. Because we can change this calling. We can change the method calling. Got it. Hmm? So I mean this is the output, and on top of that we call expand tab. So you this see this one. So what happened here? Took the iterable and joined all these elements, okay, or concatenated all elements in the string uh, with the given string s, which means assuming this as s, okay, with a given string s. Okay, do you understand? Yeah. So for suppose mm, I want to make a, let's do simple one. Okay, I have a table. Okay, names. Okay, I want to create a table. Alias. Okay, Steve, Neo. Okay, okay, and age 23. Okay, 42 on this. Okay, so what you can do, uh, print, and I can form a string as equal to. Okay, yeah, slash n, sorry, slash t, slash t. Okay, or let's give space. Okay, join of names. names, and you can concatenate strings. Okay, plus means you can concatenate two strings. If you're not aware, hello, I can plus there. Do you understand? Plus operation works as a concatenation. Hmm? So string, okay, output string I'm taking OS2 or a table string. Okay, join names plus slash n plus join ages. What happened? No. Sequence item 0 expected string informed. Okay. Okay, so okay. Let's redefine this one. It is expecting strings here. Okay. Yeah, because the join function expects the strings. Iterable of strings. Okay. Now TS, check this one. Print of TS. Okay. Got it. So we can do this one. Instead of to make it see, we can actually do this one again. Tab, right? Got it. Okay, this is just one use case, but join is quite powerful. It saves you a lot of time. L just so R just and the lawyer, you know this already, which converts the string into lawyer. Yeah, you have caps and lows, but your lawyer, everything is converted to lawyer. Everything is converted to upper. And title, which is first word. Okay. First word in each word. First letter. Yeah, sorry. First character in each word. Yeah, converted to caps. So just L just R just and or counterparts, and there is a justify. Okay, so let's discuss this one. No, we haven't discussed L just. Yeah, we discussed in formatting. No, it does the same thing. Yeah, it does the same thing. Okay. So we discussed, starts with is the counterpart of ends with. Okay. So S dot starts. Okay. This counterpart. Swap case is, swap case is, you see, swap case is, which just changes, it does if it is lowercase, converts it to uppercase. If it is uppercase, converts it to lowercase. Okay, you see H here is caps, H is small. Okay. Yeah. So welcome, okay, to the wall, and then I is small. Do you get it? Which is, and it is self-explanatory. Here swap case returns. Where? Oh, he is. Okay. No, check this one. No, you are checking this one. No. It is title case. It is output of title case. Compare this with this one. No, yeah. You are comparing. So check this one. Yeah. Let's check this one. Now, swap this. Check this. Okay. The all smalls, we got all caps. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Translate and jet fill, G fill, and split. I'll explain you now, and the remaining things we'll learn about them in a partition in the uh, coming session. So now, uh, split is there, right? Yeah. Yes. Okay. See. Yeah. Mm, check what is split, and there are actually, see, these are repetitive here. Okay. If you know split, and there is a r split is there. Okay. uh so just it does the same thing, but in different way. Okay. So if you learn the split, you have learned already r split, and same thing, if you learn the strip, you learn the r strip. Okay. If if you have learned the justify, just you have learned already l or just. Okay. I'll explain you that. So split, what it takes, it takes a separator, two optional arguments. Okay. Which is a separator and max split. Okay. So it returns the list of strings. List means which is inside square brackets. That is a list. Okay. What it does, it will split the given string s, okay, with a separator, and maximum max split determines how many splits it should perform. Okay. So if we don't give the space anything, it will consider that separator as a space. It will consider space as a separator. Okay. So otherwise you can give the split character. For suppose you can give bang. Okay. And now you see there are actually how many splits? 3 splits are there. Do you get it? Because the bang is also here. Do you understand? Okay. So it actually slices that whole string and gives that as a elements of string of a uh, list of strings. Okay. So now let's say max split is if you give one only, you see it split happen only once. Okay. But not here. Okay. Same thing as applies here. Split, you can give space, and max splits 2. You see here 2 strings only here you got. Sorry, 3. Okay. 0, 1, 2. Okay. And if you give 1, you got only 2 strings. You don't give anything. Okay. You got, lot of strings here for each word. Okay. No. Yeah. Once split happened only one, which means that you have, since it happened only once, you got the 2 strings. Do you get it? 2 elements. One element here, another element here. Do you get it? Slice that once and you got 2. To slice, if you have cake, whole cake, to slice that one, how many parts you will get? 2 parts, right? Slice it. Yeah, like that. Okay, so it is a first character is a separator. Okay, let's do this thing. The previous example, this one TS, right? Okay, so TS, we can split this thing using /t. Nothing happened. You see, we have we made a split of this whole string, but you see /t. Okay, so if you want to that, if you don't want that thing to be there, okay, there you go, right? But how many splits you want? Just how many times you want to split? 2 times. Here you go. If you want once, here you go. Okay. And what is another one is there? R split is there. Okay. R split does the same thing, but it does from right side. From right. Do you understand? Instead of going left to right, it comes from right to left. Yeah, right to left. Okay, R split. Okay, from right side to left. Usual split goes from splitting string from left to right. But it does the split from right to left. Okay, so that is the reason it is called R split. And we'll see remaining interesting methods in the coming session.